Hi, this is Krish here. I'm your personal life skill coach and I'm here to help you to live your life to the fullest. Today we're talking on an interesting topic, synergy, the power of teamwork. What's the beauty while working in a team? Team full form is together everyone achieves more. Why is it that we don't always make use of this powerful, magical power that is available with people? Power of working in a team and getting the maximum out of it, synergy. Have you seen the birds fly, especially the migratory birds? How do they fly? Yeah, you must have noticed they fly in a V formation. Have you ever thought about why do they fly in this V formation? Because according to aerodynamics, it seems when you fly in a V formation, the effective energy required, effort required is reduced by almost 90%. The bird which is in the center takes all the air friction, and the other birds are flying in almost zero friction areas where they fly. So literally the bird which is flying in the middle takes all the friction, everybody else is effortlessly, efficiently flying. Right? And if you have noticed, the birds, this is not the same bird which is there in the center. After some time, this bird goes to the left side and the right next bird comes and takes its position. And after going for some time, this bird gives place to the next one. So we're actually working in a beautiful tandem. We're working in extreme teamwork. And if you've seen the birds, they don't fly silently. In between, they'll be flapping the wings and they'll be making a lot of noise. And what are they doing? They're encouraging and motivating each other. And these birds do the most incredible things. They actually fly across oceans non-stop. And how are they able to do such an incredible feat? That is by using the power of synergy. Synergy means 2 plus 2 equals to 5. That means there is a magic which our rational mind can't explain. That's exactly what happens when you work with people. Together, we can achieve more than what we can do as individuals that we can do anything in life. Right? You see honeybees, the nature is always teaching us the lesson. The ants, you name it, they're all teaching us the power of teamwork. And I have a friend, his name is Selfie, he's a psychologist. Once I was visiting his place in Salem and he was in a mental asylum. He was a doctor there. And when I went there, he was in a meeting, so I had to wait for some time. So I was just taking a guided tour of the place, and I saw around 10-20 of these people in mates there. They were all in one open area, and one single guy, he had a small stick, and I was like asking the security guy, isn't it dangerous? There are so many of them. Can't they over you and run away? And you know, the watchman looked at me and he smiled and said, "Sir, these people are lunatic. That means they are not normal. They are a little unstable. They never unite." Now that made me think, why is it that we, the people who we think have evolved brains, why is it that we don't work together? Most of the time we're finding differences. We're finding some reason or the other to differentiate ourselves, yes? Whether it is the name of religion, whether it's the name of caste, community, state, nation, it doesn't matter. We are looking for reasons to split ourselves. But can you imagine the power if we all can work together? If we can channelize all our effort and the kind of progression that we'll all get. So the smart thing is work together, find out reasons to come together. Don't find reasons that will split us. And if we can work together, I assure you we can achieve a lot of beautiful things in our life. Even companies, when they're looking for people, it is not the communication skill that I'm looking at, it is not your technical knowledge that I'm looking. I'm also looking for the most important quality, your ability to work in a team, your ability to compromise, your ability to sacrifice, your ability to empathize, your ability to share. Unfortunately, what is happening in today's generation is many of the children are growing up, are coming from nuclear families. They have one sibling or maybe a single child. They get whatever they want, instant gratification era, right? So many of them don't know how to share, they don't know how to compromise, they don't know how to sacrifice. These are words they just know as English words, but they never experience these qualities. So if you really want to be successful, then I think we need to learn the art of working together. The most beautiful thing of synergy, the power of achieving great things by putting hands together, not finding reasons to split, but by coming together. So I hope all of you will enjoy working in a team. I'm sure once you start working in a team, you'll understand how beautiful that experience is, how blissful that experience is. So wishing you all the very best and may you all be blissful. Thank you.